Presenting you, our young creative, RV Jain and Ashi Rathar Class 7. On AI News Channel, reporting FRO Knowledge Valley School.
A very good afternoon to you. I am RV Jain.
And I'm Nishi Rathore reporting to AI News from Knowledge Valley School.
Let's start headlines of this afternoon. Starting off international news.
Spanish Prime Minister visits China to shore up trades and EV traffic theft. Pakistan women write economic results to curve out a place among workforce. Algeria's president to be announced in second term with 95% of vote. Turkey Edirne called for Islamic alliance against Israel. Ruler doctor for Thailand, the healthcare organization winning Asia's top honor. Ukraine business Harry more women teens as labor shortage beats. Thailand new PM to outline policies to parliament. Next will be national news.
To deliberate on taxation of insurance premium report on online gaming. India West pressing unemployment as production moved to China. Ukraine keen on India joining free space process. Bengal governor asked Mamata Banerjee to call combined meet decide on demand for removing police commissioner. Ranveer Singh become first Indian to be elected OCA president. PM Modi meets India contingent of Paris Paralympic. According to the Kolkata police, the doctor's body was discovered in a bolt condition inside the hospital's premises given the severity injuries and the circumstances of her death. It is likely that should have recorded herself during or after the attacks. Next will be sports news.
Hockey Asian Trophy is booked and India being title defense with 3-0 win over. In Afghanistan vs New Zealand test match, Argentina and Brazil suffered defeats in Colombia World Cup qualifiers. India gave its best ever performance and Paralympic Games by winning 29 medals including 7 gold and 9 silver and 13 bronze medals. ISSF World Cup Final. Minu Bikar rested Rhythm Savanga to complete in 2 events. Chess Olympiad 2024 Round 2. Gukesh under pressure. Vantika and Time Tower. Vargananda and Vaishali rested. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets Paralympic athletes after his strict 29 medals camping in Paris. Next will be cultural news.
University offering course of these songs. Ambani donated to 50 crore in Ganesh Ji Hukut in Mumbai Lal Bagh Ke Raja. PM Modi Paris musical culture of Austria shares videos of artists performing Vande Mataram. Singapore Despera to host its first Ganotsav celebrate in open field following PM Modi visit. Jaipur celebrate culture legacy with Sahitya Utsav, Ganesh Hadap Culture Virasat Karwa, Culture Diversity Conventions Week of LU. Next will be educational news.
IIT Jodhpur launches AI. IIT Bombay students demand for collaboration with Israel. After NEET, JEE, IIT Kanpur launches Sati CUET. Government approves MBBS programs at 5 new medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh. The expansion has resulted in creation of 600 new MBBS seats, increasing the total number of additional seats in the state to 1,200 of the 2024 to 2025 academic season. Delhi court then bail to accused Neelam Azad in Parliament security breaches case. The World Bank has communicated over 2 billion to education in India. Next will be technology news.
Meta says URS will be able to place calls to WhatsApp and messages using third-party app, but only 2027. Byju's investor appeals to India's Supreme Court amid insolvency critics. Zomato introduced tickets resales for events. Apple announced its Glow Time iPhone 16 launch event for September 9. BT Sports 2000 Perennials attacks on its network a second. Microsoft 365 down 4,000 of URS downloaded shows. Next will be Bollywood news.
Bobby Doll was worried that Sandeep Reddy Venga will drop him from Animal. before Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh, 7 star, who were blessed with a baby girl from Ranveer and Alia to Richa Ali. This Ganesh Chaturthi 2024, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh visit Siddhivinayak temple. Thank
Thank you.